day, everyone. Our topic for today is how to create your call queues. Call queues are used whether it's for your inbound, for a typical office, PBX functionalities, or for your call center setup. Let's start with logging in with your office manager, then click Call Queues. To add additional call queues with your existing, like this one, it in support, just click Add Call Queue. Within the Add Call Queue, you can create your own call queue name. Let's say, for example, this is for HR. You then have to type in an additional extension, which is unique to the platform. This would be your identifier, whether you're going to initiate the call queue for inbound or you're going to assign a call queue for IVR and other things. You can add different departments or sites for your call queue if you have multiple departments in your company for the call queue. Within TelaVi Cloud, you have multiple options for the type, whether you would go with the round robin or the longest idle time, which routes the call to the available agent or user that has been idle longest. You can also select tiered round robin through route calls to the available agent with escalating tiers, or you could set up a ring all to all available users or agents at the same time. You can set linear hunt to create different tiers for your users or agents before receiving the calls. For linear cascade, you can route calls to different groups for your user or agents with predefined order, or you can also select call park to place the callers on hold until an agent or user retrieves the call itself. For this instance, I'll create a round robin, then select the phone number in case you already have a caller ID or a trunk line within the system. You can also opt to choose whether the call queue would be recorded or not, and even the statistics, whether you would like it on or off. After setting up the basic information for your call queue, just click Next, and you will be greeted with the pre-queue options for before the caller is put in queue, whether you would require an agent or user to belong to a call queue before they will be able to enter the queue. You could also select what audio for your queue so that the customers or clients that are calling you will be able to hear a certain tone while waiting. You can also set it to require a music on hold or not. You can also modify the max expected wait time within your call queue, and also you can modify the max queue length. By default, all will be unlimited, but you can set up depending on your requirement for your call queue. We can also enable callback options within the system so that if your agents or users are currently all engaged, then the users or the clients will be able to opt to choose to do callback. Also, if your call queue is not available, you can also do forwarding. After you set up the default pre-queue options or you modify it on your own, you will go into the in-queue option. The options for why callers are queued and being routed to agents, so you can set up a queue ring timeout or the agent ring timeout. How long the queue will ring agents before moving to the next available agent. This is where you can customize after 20 seconds, after 25 seconds, or even more before going to another agent or user. You could set up if the user misses a call, they will be logged out on the call queue. We can also enable voicemail. If unanswered, they could stay in the queue or send it to the voicemail. Once you set it up, I'll just click Add, and you will have your new call queue. That's it. Hope this helps.